What's up everybody, it's Joe. I'm back again with another video. So this is gonna be like a shorter video. I'm just gonna go over the top 5 beginner heat presses for those that are just barely starting off, and these are recommendations, and I will have the links down below. It'd be great, you know, if you could click those links to help support this channel and keep going. So anyway, let's begin. So the top 5 heat presses for beginners. So number 1 is the Fancier Studio press. Those are they have high reviews on Amazon. And, oh yeah, by the way, you could purchase all these heat presses on Amazon except for one, which I'll discuss at the end. So yes, the Fancier Studio is number 1, and I believe it's like $200 or $215. Can't remember. The second one is the Tussie heat press. That one has great reviews. It's also a great heat press for beginners, and I forgot to include, but all these are 15 by 15 heat presses, and they all have 4+ star reviews. So just to get that out there. So let's move on to number 3. Number 3 is the Power Press, which is another. I believe this one's under $200. Yeah, most of these heat presses, the 4 heat presses that I'm going to mention, are not going to be over $250, I believe. So that goes to number 4, which is the Royal Press. And yeah, again, I think that one might be under $200. But if you want the accurate price, just click those links down below. So yeah, so that's number 4. Has great reviews. Another 15 by 15. And that goes for number 5, which is the Walla Press, which you could go purchase at Heat Transfer Warehouse. Yeah, I hear nothing but good reviews on that press, although it is not a 200 below press or whatever price range wise. It is, I believe, $450, but the features it has on it, the reviews it has on it, it's a great press. I mean, that would be more of a beginner intermediate type of press for that price range anyway. So let me get more into the Walla press, because that one is like bang for your buck basically. So it's a 15 by 15, and it has a slide out drawer, so you can't really ask for more for that price range. It's not bad, unless I'm gonna throw in a bonus, number 6, which would be the Heat Press Nation Craft Pro 15 by 15 press, which I have, and I believe I paid $400 for that one, and I don't think it's no longer $400, and this was like a few months ago, because there's this huge shortage of like heat presses, and yeah, the supply chain is just all messed up right now. So yeah, those are my top 5, but I threw in one bonus for the best beginner heat presses. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this little short video, and I hope this information is helpful. And for those of you that are starting out there, that are beginners, these are definitely great heat presses to keep in mind, because hey, you know what? You buy one heat press, you make your money. You know, you got to start somewhere, and that's the whole point of this video, is to motivate people to just start and go out there. You know, I have this like Chinese heat press I bought off of eBay. I think it was like maybe $200. It was like a 5-in-1. But you know what? That thing helped me start my business. It's still a workhorse till this day. Surprisingly, it's actually really good, really good heat press. And I thought it was gonna break like after like 6 months of use, but no. And I already made my money back. You know, give yourself about a year, and you'll if you're consistent, you'll make your money back, and then you can upgrade to a better heat press. But I hope this was helpful. So just keep moving forward. You know, this is just a stepping stone for all the beginners out there. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Click that like button, subscribe. You guys have a wonderful day. I'm out. Peace.